Welcome to WuXi Biologics U.S. drug product site, advancing biologics development and manufacturing excellence. Meet our expert Rutvik Patel, Senior Manager of Drug Product Manufacturing. At the DP site, Rutvik's goal is to deliver high-quality drug product manufacturing with speed, precision, and collaboration. Strategically located in the U.S., the DP site provides end-to-end drug product development and manufacturing, supporting both clinical and commercial supply. With on-site clinical supply services, the team ensures rapid distribution to testing centers around the world. Meet Decheng Huang, Senior Engineer of Drug Product Manufacturing. Advanced technologies are at the heart of his commitment to making every biologic and treating every disease. Our GMP-released VanRex robotic filler delivers precision and sterility. An additional state-of-the-art isolator filler is being planned to expand capacity for vials and pre-filled syringes. With extensive experience in VanRex operations, the technical team delivers consistent, high-quality results from clinical to commercial scales. Meet Augie Choinovsky, Senior Scientist of Drug Product Development. WuXi Biologics' mature technology transfer and ability to harness a global network allows the drug product development team to move at unparalleled speed. They complete technology transfer within 20 days, including detailed gap analysis, timely communication, and fast responses. With parallel document preparation and real-time coordination, they ensure a smooth, efficient transition from process transfer to production. WuXi Biologics empowers global biologics development. In the U.S., we are preparing drug product filling units for commercial scale. Partner with us to advance your drug product.